My name's Lloyd and I'm from Magnet. I'm currently standing on top of our roof at the head office in Durban, and you can see in the background our impressive solar array here. It was installed about 4 or 5 years ago. Although solar may seem like it's new technology, it really actually isn't. It's been used in commercial applications since the 1980s. Since the cost of energy keeps going up and the cost of technology keeps going down, we've only really seen sort of financial traction in South Africa for the last 5 years. Now with load shedding, we're seeing the sort of attraction to solar being more than just financial. It's going towards power reliability. Whatever your attraction is, we see several rookie mistakes on the solar field. Mistake number 1, not becoming more energy efficient before you install solar. It's essential to go ahead and become more energy efficient before you install solar, or at the very least calculate how efficient you will be in the near future before you go ahead and install solar. Solar is basically, your system will be designed to your load profile, and if you go ahead and install a big solar system and then 3 months or 8 months later you convert from old lighting technology to LED and your commercial load profile halves or drops by 1/3, all of a sudden your solar system is going to be overproducing power. Now you might think that's a good problem to have, and it is essentially, but you're not going to get a rebate for that. There's 278, I think, municipalities in the country. I think 3 or 4 actually will pay you back for power produced. The rest you don't see any recovery. So by overbuying or oversizing a system, you're not getting any recovery from the municipality, and you're paying more for your solar system because it's going to have to be too big. Rather become more energy efficient and then install, or you can basically calculate how much you can reduce your load profile by, install the solar system to what your forecasted load profile will be, and then you can go ahead and do those other changes down the line. At Magnet, we specialize in solar and backup power, so give us a call and let us know how we can help you.